Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a present continuous tense quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. She dash a book right now. The correct option is A, is reading. She is reading a book right now. Question 2. I dash TV at the moment. The correct option is C, am watching. I am watching TV at the moment. Question 3. They dash football in the park. The correct option is A, are playing. They are playing football in the park. Question 4. We dash English now. The correct option is B, are studying. We are studying English now. Question 5. The baby dash in the bed. The correct option is B, is sleeping. The baby is sleeping in the bed. Question 6. My mother dash dinner right now. The correct option is C, is cooking. My mother is cooking dinner right now. Question 7. I dash write an email at the moment. The correct option is A, am writing. I am writing an email at the moment. Question 8. They dash in the playground. The correct option is C, are running. They are running in the playground. Question 9. He dashed the piano now. The correct option is A, is playing. He is playing the piano now. Question 10. We dash in the pool. The correct option is B, are swimming. We are swimming in the pool. Question 11. The teacher dash to the students now. The correct option is B, is talking. The teacher is talking to the students now. Question 12. I dash at the moment. The correct option is C, am not sleeping. I am not sleeping at the moment. Question 13. Dash she drinking coffee right now? The correct option is A, is. Is she drinking coffee right now? Question 14. They dash a sand castle on the beach. The correct option is C, are building. They are building a sand castle on the beach. Question 15. We dash to music now. The correct option is A, are not listening. We are not listening to music now. Question 16. My friends dash basketball at the moment. The correct option is B, are playing. My friends are playing basketball at the moment. Question 17. Dash you studying for your test? The correct option is R. Are you studying for your test? Question 18. The cat dash on the sofa now. The correct option is C, is sleeping. The cat is sleeping on the sofa now. Question 19. I dash a story right now. The correct option is A, am writing. I am writing a story right now. Question 20. She dash in the playground. The correct option is C, is not running. She is not running in the playground. Question 21. What dash they do now? The correct option is A. What are they doing now? Question 22. The children dash pictures in the class. The correct option is B. Are painting. The children are painting pictures in the class. Question 23. My father dashed the car at the moment. The correct option is B. Is fixing. My father is fixing the car at the moment. Question 24. We dash a movie together right now. The correct option is C. Are watching. We are watching a movie together right now. Question 25. Dash they playing the guitar now. The correct option is are. Are they playing the guitar now? That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.